Welcome to the mystical marshes of Africa, where a magnificent creature silently roams. The shoebill, a prehistoric-looking bird, an avian wonder often referred to as the whale-headed bird due to its enormous bill and distinctive appearance. This magnificent creature, standing at around 4 feet tall, captures the imagination with its long legs, striking blue-gray plumage, and of course, its iconic shoe-shaped bill. Known for its patient and stealthy hunting techniques. It is a masterful hunter, specializing in capturing fish, amphibians, and even small reptiles. Nesting in the dense vegetation, the shoebill showcases its dedication to family life. Both parents take turns incubating the eggs and caring for the chicks,